We need to identify the ionization in which bond energy increases and magnetism changes from paramagnetic to diamagnetic. Let us solve step by step. Bond energy increases when bond order increases. Also, paramagnetic means at least one unpaired electron, while diamagnetic means all electrons are paired. For oxygen, the bond order increases, but it remains paramagnetic, so it fails the magnetic condition. For carbon, the bond order decreases and the magnetic behavior changes the wrong way. Nitric oxide has one unpaired electron in an antibonding orbital. Ionization removes this electron, so bond order rises from 2.5 to 3 and all electrons become paired. For nitrogen, removing one electron lowers the bond order from 3 to 2.5 and the molecule changes from diamagnetic to paramagnetic. This is opposite to what we need. Only nitric oxide ionizing to nitrosonium ion gives both required changes, increased bond energy and paramagnetic to diamagnetic behavior. The correct answer is option C, nitric oxide to nitrosonium ion. For more such clear step-by-step learning, join Acharya.